All right, so however you pronounce that is the trail that we're doing right now.
Mount Tamalpais.
Yes! Say it again. Say it again. Say it again.
Mount Tamalpais.
This is the trail we're going on. We're far away from the actual, well, we might be far away, I don't really know, but
We drove down a
that
really
a windy road we drove down. We want to get to this ladder. It looks like it's made out of like branches and stuff. It's probably gonna be cool, so let's go. We're in like the first 100 feet of the hike. We've already seen so much cool stuff. We have not gotten very far because we keep stopping. Isn't that right? We're in like the first 100 feet of the hike and we keep seeing so much cool stuff. Hints right here. We just keep on stopping and now there's stairs. Like
ladder.
cool stairs. Excuse me. Cool stairs. We found another set of stairs. Set of stairs. Here we go. All these frickin' stairs. We're taking a break. Alyssa's got that pre-workout game going.
Need to pick me up.
I drank all mine. All right, so we're an hour into the hike that I can't pronounce. And if you know me, I like simple things. I like awesome hikes. I like beautiful hikes. If you're new to this channel, welcome. You're gonna be seeing a lot of hikes like this, seeing beautiful places. Oh, almost tripped and died. Say hello to Melissa. But look at this ladder. How cool is this? Next to some water. This is literally the whole reason we came out here. Like I said, simple things. Who knew that I would get pumped up about a ladder? About a ladder.
It's not a normal ladder, you know, it's like, how often do you see a ladder in the middle of the woods?
True. Now we're gonna climb it. It's very dangerous. Don't try this at home.
Not him.
Taking a snack break. What do we bring for snacks?
I made some cheese and ham and roast beef, like croissant rolls.
Croissant rolls with cheese, and some of them have ham and cheese, and some of them have roast beef and cheese. What?
We have
And then look at all this. This is where we get to take our little break in the wilderness. You guys want to see Melissa's cool lunchbox? Do you want to present it?
You can show them.
Okay. How frickin' cool. Okay, now we're gonna start heading back. We've got 2 stops we want to make on the way back on this trail, and then we're going to a special place, so stay tuned. It's like a dam, right? All right, we're out of the woods, going to the beach. Okay, safe to say, hike 1 is over.
Oh.
Moving on to hike 2.
Yeah.
We gotta find Melissa a place to go pee-pee, so I can also go pee-pee. And then hike number 2 is very special. All right, so we're not going to the special hike today because it's 30 minutes to drive there, which is not bad, but it's 8 miles from where we park to what I want to show you, and then another 8 miles back. We've already been hiking for 3 hours. So we're gonna drink by the beach instead. Okay, so next time we're gonna go to, what's it called, Alamere Falls?
That was supposed to be a surprise.
Yeah, but they don't know what that is.
They can look it up and know what it is.
Well, if they want to spoil their own surprise, then shame on you. Shame on you. Anyways, that's where we're going next time. Well, not next time. The next video is gonna be something else, but we'll get there eventually. But
That's the goal before we leave this lovely place of California.
we're going to that place before
We
we
will
leave
go.
California. It's the whole thing I've been talking about since we moved down here. And so, if you're new to this channel, welcome. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you stay for the videos that are in the future to come. If you are not new to this channel, you've been here, thank you for staying. We're gonna sign out because we've got a drive to get back home. We'll probably stop for something to drink, something to eat. We'll probably be sitting in traffic for who knows how long.
Well, the plan is to avoid traffic.
We're gonna try to avoid traffic.
Stop in the little 10-mile Pais little town that we stopped at. Going to the hike, there was like
Cute little town.
little
It's like a little marina
beachy
town.
Marina towns.
There's like
Holy
ferries.
moly, that is huge.
Look how big these seagulls are.
Holy moly, Batman.
You freaking dinosaur.
They're huge.
You're a pterodactyl with feathers. All right, we're signing off. As always, keep living.
Keep loving, because it's the best thing we do.
Because it's the best damn thing we do. Bye.
Bye. So Damien handed me the GoPro because he's gonna try and get this pelican to drop that bag because, you know, he cares about animals so much. Look at him chasing it. He's gonna try and get him to drop it so he can pick up the bag. Oh, I can't. Oh no. Dang it. Oh. Oh. Good try.